Hey, I'm going to show you how to make this Easter card. And let's get started. Okay, so it's super simple. All I did here was you go to shapes. You want to hit new project. And then I went to shapes. And I started out with just this box. And you're going to unlock the box. And what I set it to was 10 by 7. Okay. And then let's change this to a different color so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here, this is the box. And then you'll want to grab another shape and you're going to grab the score line. And you're going to take the score line and halfway mark from 10 is 5. So we're going to put the score line here. And this will just be the area that you know you'll fold for the card. And then hold on one second. Let me move this one out of the way because otherwise it'll attach to that as well. Okay, so it's at 5. Okay. Then you just attach it. And then your card is all set. Then you'll want to pull up an image that you want to use for the card. And I picked this bunny rabbit. So you set it on top and you hit send to front so you can position and see, you know, how it looks, what it's going to look like. And you'll do, one second. Okay, so then you'll put this right here, halfway, so you see it like that. And, okay, why does that not want to do it? Yes. That does not want to go on there. What happened to here? Why is this not working? Okay, so we have that one there. Oh, let's see, sorry. Okay, so it was because I had it in group, sorry. So you'll put this here. Okay, so you just want to make sure it's ungrouped. So this is what the card will look like. It's obviously going to be a white background. Okay, so this is positioned how I want it. Okay, so first, let's make sure we hit save. Okay, so we are going to go in here and let's turn this one off so I'm not printing that. Okay, we're going to hit make it and we're going to print 2 different colors of paper. Wait, you know what? Let me go back real quick. I forgot to put this back as a group. Let's move this and this. You want to group this again because you want the letters to be together. Okay, so then we're going to click make it. And hold on, I forgot to hit attach. Let's go back real quick. Attach. Okay, now it's ready. So then you'll hit make it and we're going to have 2 different colors. I'm going to use pink for this part and then here I'm going to use white cardstock. So, okay, so the first color that popped up was the pink. So we put the pink down on a clean mat. Okay, make sure it's sticking. Okay, and then we're going to put this in here and we're going to hit continue over here. And then what I did is I typed in, I have it saved right here for cardstock for intricate cuts, but you go into browse and then I just typed in cardstock because I noticed I couldn't find it any other way. So anyway, here is what I used. And then we are going to hit this. And I'm going to put mine on fast mode. Okay, so you want to turn the mat upside down, and then you're going to just pull it this way. And then here, you can see, you're just going to slowly pull this off. And then what you want is everything else that you don't want should stick to the mat. So, let's see. Okay, so see, this is, okay, so like on the card, I saved that part, so I can put that in between, like for the A and the P, the A, and that's it. So what I do is I just take those off carefully from the mat and set it aside so you can glue that part on later. Change tools. And just a little bit, I think is going to do it. Yep. Okay, so now you have to get your scoring out. Let's see. This is my scoring tool. So, and this is a number 1. You can see right there, number 1 scoring. Okay. So it's super simple, just open that. And the one that I used is fine point. And continue. Okay, and then it wants me to switch back to the fine. And Cricut just tells you every step of the way, you know, what to insert, what tool to use. So it just did the line in the middle of the card so you know where to fold it. And now it's just cutting the border, the outside, to make the card. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, and then same thing. We just want to pull it this way so it doesn't bend the card. So here, that's just the border. And then we pull it from the card, from there. Okay, so here, you can kind of see, that's where you fold the card. So we're gonna fold that right there. And then we get rid of this other paper. Okay, and then remember we have the Happy Easter right there. What I did was I got the paper cutter and I just cut that out. Let's see. And I just kind of wing it, you know, however you want it to look. And I like to use the paper cutter just because it's, you know, the exact same. It's just a straight line. That looks good. Let's do it like that. And I didn't push it up enough, so it's right here. Okay, so here. And actually it's a little bit crooked because it's so tiny, it's hard to, I can't set it against. Let's see. Well, I'll do that one by hand. Okay, so just gonna cut it. Okay, perfect. And this is what I did. I just used Elmer's glue, and you just kind of touch, you know, the back of it a little bit. And I put it on top of the card. Okay, and then these pieces that you saved, I just you can do it either way. Here, I'm just gonna rub a little glue right there on the A. And just kind of, what I did, I don't know if you can see, is I just put like a little glue, like where the A was, and then put the triangle on there. Okay, and that's how I'm gonna do for the pink too. Okay. And then same with this A. And it really doesn't take that much glue. And I lost the A part. So give me just a second to find out what I did with that. Okay. Let's do the last for the R. They're such tiny little pieces. So if you don't want to do that, you can just use a marker. Okay, there. So see? Happy Easter. Okay. Then for this, right here on the little ear, I'm just going to pull out a little piece that did not come out there. Let's see here too. Okay, let's just maybe make sure everything is done. Let's take a little bit of that. Okay, so what I did is I just tap it around and try to get like the big areas, like the bunny rabbit, any big areas. That'll help it stick. And make sure you try to go around the border. And I'm just kind of doing it lightly. And we're going to put this on. And there you go. And if anything sticks up that you don't want to stick up, you can just use a little bit like that. And there you go. It was so easy to make this card. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. And if you like my video and you want to hit subscribe, that'd be great. And then you can check out more of my videos. Thanks.